Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. So that today I'm teaching you English course standard 1. The chapter name is Lysandra of Cuba. That there is a girl whose name is Lysandra. She came from the another country name is Cuba, and she is very excited, and in fact it is very difficult different ways that she came in another from the another country, and she is existing in another countries. So it's very difficult, and it takes some times to adjust themselves, adjust herself, that adjust herself in that countries. Like suppose we are also there, suppose we want to shift in another countries, then we are taking some times to shifting, and we are to knowing the word, to knowing that place, to knowing that areas, to difficult that we find more difficulties. So like that here also she is very difficult, she is finding like very difficulties, some difficulties, and in fact she is very excited about her school, new school, where she is wearing the red skirts with red blouse, with white blouse, like shirt, sleeveless shirt, and she is wearing the bag in his back. And then after, when she is walking, then neighbors are talking and singing outside, and in fact because she is the new in that area, so neighbor is also very ordinary. She feel that she is different from another country, so she feel that she don't know, that we don't know that our neighbors. So after that she called hello, and that was very ordinary, very different, that she said hello to neighbors because no one knows her. Then in her house, her grandmother was cooking something that smelled wonderful. And in her house, the grandmother was cooking something that was smelled very wonderful. Like suppose in our house also, if our mother is cooking something, then we can smell, if it's good smell, then it can feel that wow, it's very happy, and we feel very happy that it's a very good dishes it's making. So before making, we are going and we are saying that please give me. So like that here also, that its smell is very wonderful. And her cousins Raman and Xavier were getting their snorkeling equipment, and they were going fishing. So here her cousins, whose name is Raman and Xavier, both are going for their for taking a tube for a swimmer to breathe through while underwater, so that they can find some fish, because they are going to fishing. And that was very ordinary, very different, because they are all came from the another country, and they don't know the place where is fishing. So it was also very difficult to adjust that area. Then after, grandfather and aunt Angelina came from with the groceries they got with their ration book. And then after, their grandfather and aunt Angelina both came home from the grocery, where the food and other things that are needed, that we need in our house, so that we are going to the grocery to buy. And also they got their books of an official document that allows one to purchase a fixed amount of food, clothes, or other things. Like suppose that if some people are coming from the outside, then the groceries, and then those who are seller, they are selling in a high price, because they think that they come from the another country, so come, why we can't use them, and why we can't take that much money, because they are rich. That's why they have made the one rational book, that is a document which the groceries, which the other people also, they can give them in a fixed amount of food or clothes or whatever things they need. Then yogurt for Lysandra, Aunt Angelina said. And then after she came from the grocery, and she took from yogurt, and she given yogurt to Angelina, said that yogurt, it's for you, Angelina, but these groceries won't last the month. That was ordinary. And that grocery was also not for the last month, it was also very ordinary. And mama and daddy came home from work. Her father and mother both came from work, what they are doing. They hugged Lysandra, put music on the tape player, cooked, laughed, and talked. after that they came home, they just hugged the Lysandra and they started to listen the music, and they put a tape and they started to listen a music. They cooked together, they laughed together, and they talked together. So that's why that like that they are enjoying their days. Like suppose in our homes nowadays also, suppose it's a lockdowns and all the family members are at home, it's the very first time that all the families are together and we are enjoying a lot of time with them, and we are playing, we are laughing, we are talking, we are eating also, we are eating different things, different food also, mother is cooking the different food also. So here also it's a very good things that, and it's a very good memory also and time also, that we all are safe at home and we all are with our family members. So here also she is spending time with her family members, cooking and laughing and talking, like we are doing nowadays, like in a lockdown, that we are spending our all quality times with our families, playing like ludos, and we are spending lots of times with them. And Lysandra ate dinner with her whole family at the table on the roof. That was ordinary. And after that, Lysandra, she just ate the dinner with whole families on the table, and that was also very ordinary. So like that, we are also eating the dinner and breakfast, everything with our family members, because now we have a lots of time. Our father mother is always with us, because it's a lockdown, nobody is going outside at home, but in emergency case they gone. But if no work is there, then they are with us, and we are playing, we are eating together, we are in fact laughing together, we are dancing together, we are watching TV together. So it's a good memory that we are spending time with our family. So like Lysandra also, she is spending time with her families, like eating dinner at with whole families at the table. But then everything becomes special. Then after, if we spend time with our families, then we feel very happy and everything become very special. Like we are eating, it's make a good memory. In fact, on that time we are taking the selfie. Nowadays we are taking the selfies, we are spending time in with mobile also, playing in mobile also. So that feel very special, that we are spending. Family is another things that it feels like, oh, it's a happiness. So like that also, it's very everything that become very special, because we are with our families. If in bad situation also, good situation, so family is the one that we can become they can become a power of our strength. So like that, so everything become very special for herself. And then after what happened, you just watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day. And again, I am repeating that you can complete your work at a time, so that you will not get any problem whenever the school will open. And thank you. And for the next topic, for the next what happened of Lysandra of Cuba, you just watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day.